Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of starting your dropshipping venture on Temu. Temu stands as an online marketplace, owned and operated by a prominent Chinese e-commerce entity. It specializes in offering consumers heavily discounted items directly shipped from China. What sets Temu apart is its competitive pricing, often surpassing that of industry giants like AliExpress and Alibaba. Moreover, Temu boasts faster delivery times, with some products arriving in less than 10 days, contrasting sharply with the 2 to 3 week wait on AliExpress. Although Temu's policies explicitly forbid drop shipping, there are strategies to navigate around this restriction. One approach involves bulk ordering items from Temu and repackaging them with your own branding before reselling. Another tactic is leveraging Shopify's Robo Product Importer app to seamlessly import and list Temu products on your store. However, it's crucial to tread carefully as direct drop shipping from Temu could result in account suspension. Thus, it's advisable to stay updated on Temu's policies and explore alternative fulfillment methods like third-party logistics. Additionally, conducting thorough market research and meticulously managing your inventory are key to sustaining a successful drop shipping business on Temu.